I was influenced to get this hat cage, and we have hats in the house that badly need washing, so let's put it to test. Here are my husband's hats. This one right here is super dirty. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Make sure that you adjust the back closure so it's not deformed or wrinkled. Close the cage, snap all the locks, and you're ready to wash. Now, the product description recommends a dishwasher or a top load washer for this, but I only have my front load washer available right now, so let's go ahead and just use that. So I put the hats in there with 2 towels and put it on delicate cycle. After the cycle, here they are. The locks didn't come off. The hats stayed safe inside and they came out all clean. Here is the hat all dry the next day. I need to get rid of all the lint on here, but overall, it's clean and the shape stayed intact. Overall, this product works great and I highly recommend it. Hi everyone, Essie here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question regarding this item, please let me know in the comment section below and I would be more than happy to answer it. See you there.